Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this MCM model, MCM637S, in color code 215. The color of this frame is Tortoise Gold. On the temples here we have an MCM emblem in gold and a tortoise temple tip color. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The outside of the temple is the same with the gold MCM emblem. The color of these lenses are brown mirror. The style of this frame is fashion square. This frame also comes with an MCM case. It's a hard case. And inside the case, we have an MCM microfiber cleaning cloth with the logo on it.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.